Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Alipay Hong Kong security warning or scam message issue. First, if you receive a security warning, do not ignore it. It usually means suspicious activity was detected. Then check your account activity to make sure all the transactions are recognized and authorized by you. If you receive a suspicious message or link, do not click on it as it may be a phishing attempt. Always use the official Alipay Hong Kong app to avoid login through the unknown links. Now update your password immediately. Go to more and then go to retry password. This is how you can update your password immediately if you suspect any authorized access. You can also enable additional security features like two-factor authentication if available. If the issue continues, contact Alipay Hong Kong customer support and report the incident. That's how you fix the Alipay security warning or scam message issue. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out another helpful guide.